welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reorganizing my budget. I am getting ready for 2022 and I realized that I have a lot of stuff in here that I'm not using and I need to kind of clean it up, and I don't necessarily want to delete it or start fresh, so I'm going to go through each and every one of these categories in here as well as hidden categories to see what I can keep. So let's get started. I actually added this planning category recently, so I want to be sticking to this 10% to giving, 25% to savings, and 65% to expenses. These are my targets each month, and so before I actually start distributing the amounts, I think I will be allocating them as such. Now, this may be a little bit difficult for me to do, given that it's already a bit of a stretch for me to reach 25% savings, and I do have some things I'm saving up for, and I don't know if it is possible, but I'm going to keep it at that, like that for now, and then I'll always adjust it as the months go on. Also, birthday, I added this last night because I realized that I could not remember what I did for my birthday this year, and because of COVID and everything that's been happening, I realized that a lot of the people that I knew were actually passing away very young, and I was like, you know what, I want to be able to celebrate, remember those little milestone moments, even though it's not like a big birthday or anything. I still want to celebrate my 29th. And so I think I'm planning to do a photography session and like have cake and maybe go to like a nice hotel for a weekend or something like that. And so that's the plan right now, but I have about 3 months to save up for that. And so that's why I have this category here. Then I have this emergency fund. So I recalculated my emergency fund and I just put the total that I'm trying to save up here. So it's 23,112. And then this reserve, I am hoping to do something really special in 2022, and I'm going to need this reserve amount set aside in order to secure my place. So that is one thing I'm trying to save for. So the only thing that I'm trying to figure out is whether or not I should keep this in the emergency fund or if I can bring that down to savings and investing. So I'm not too sure what's going to happen. I'm going to probably remove this, remove these in here, even though I think it was good for me to give each of my bills a specific amount so that I could, even though it's one emergency fund pot, I knew that I had enough for a specific time. So I think I may go back in here and kind of figure that out. And see what happens, because I know that I want to do 23,112, so I may do a separate video on that. So yeah, this is okay. I may have to come back to this emergency fund. I'm going to say that for later. Fixed expenses. So for me, this is things that don't change. Every month is the same. I don't have to worry about it. It's fixed. So my car, my student loan, my rent, YNAB, I'm going to be paying the annual fee this month because they're increasing the rate, so I'm going to pay for that this month. Then Netflix as well. I'm thinking about for Christmas just buying a Netflix gift card for myself. As someone who is not in the US, so I don't know if it would work for me, but I'm hoping it does. So I'll probably do a test run with a small amount and then buy the whole year's package afterwards. Then I also have like my study materials, my study group thing that I do, my life insurance, my auto insurance. That's fine. Then I have variable expenses, groceries, parking, fuel. My digital bill is actually now $85 actually. I need to change this. Edit. 85 monthly. Save target. $85. Okay. I guess I could keep these in here because I don't always use them. Okay, savings and investing. So my emergency fund, as you can see, I have that is duplicated. So I may rename this. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna put it. Because technically this 6,000 is not a part of my emergency fund, so I can bring this down. This is, I guess, short-term savings, and things in here would be, I'll probably save it in here and then transfer into my emergency fund once I'm done, I think. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do is that in here, I'm going to give each, in my emergency fund category, I'm going to give each of my bills a dollar amount and save it like that, so I know, okay, well, I have Digicel saved or whatever the case may be. I think I'm going to do that. So I need to figure that out. I'm going to do another video on that as well. Okay, so let's keep going. I don't know if I want a treadmill anymore, but I'll just keep that there for now. Okay, let's see what else. Website. So I do run my website, and I do buy a lot of stuff online in terms of like trying to have a side hustle, all that kind of stuff. And that gets overwhelming at times, but I'm still in the pursuit of being able to earn money online. So I kind of put a pause on it because I have exams coming up in January and I wanted more time to focus on that, and it was taking up too much of my time. And so once my exam is done, I can kind of dedicate more time to this. Because I'll be doing I'm trying to do 3 exams next year, and so hopefully I'll be able to get through with them. The first one is in January, and so I have this whole Christmas break to really get with the program. So this is just my savings challenge tracker in here. So I may actually, should I move these up into savings and investing? I'm not sure. So I could probably actually bring this 100 envelope challenge down, and then bring spirit change down as well. Yeah, so I'm going to do some savings challenges, and then this money will be transferred either into savings and investing or emergency fund. I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm going to do. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I actually really have 2 things called spirit change, so I'm not really too sure. I'm going to hide one of these. Bills and subscriptions. I think I can also delete this as well because I have removed this category, and so now I just can move this fund money up here. I can move this my heritage up here, and then I guess I can move this bills buffer to savings and investing for right now. So I'm going to hide this bills and subscriptions. Personal care. Now this these are old headings, and it's not necessarily personal care because I have car wash in here, I have clothing, I have medical. The car wash doesn't necessarily belong here. I could probably move this up to variable expenses, and the personal care, I'll keep this as is. For me, I could probably go in and see what I'm actually spending money on. Also the newspaper subscription thing, you know, whatever. Let's see what else I have. Oops. Memberships. Oh my gosh, I'm so behind on memberships. I don't even know if I want to renew half of them, but whatever. This is fine. Short-term goals as well. I don't know what to do with this as well. It's kind of like another savings and investing, so I'm not too sure if to just put that in here. Service charge, investing, registration fee. I'm going to just call this exams. And then I guess we don't need to have this. What's in here? Okay. But yeah, the short-term goals should be empty now. So I'm going to hide this as well for now. So thank you for sticking around with me. Stay tuned for the next video where I go in detail with the emergency fund and how I'll be doing that. So yeah, bye guys.